How to download Davinci Resolve on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Davinci Resolve, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you've opened, go for the search and search for Davinci Resolve, or you can also search for Davinci Resolve download. And once you've searched, here you will have Davinci Resolve. So you can simply scroll down on that website and you can simply click on Davinci Resolve free download now. Or you can also go for your Microsoft Store. So if you don't find any useful websites on your browser, you can simply search for Microsoft Store. And here you can search for DaVinci Resolve and you can simply install or download it from here. Or you can also go with your browser and simply click on install. And here you will have all of the options. So you can simply choose the option in which you would like to install. So I'll be choosing Windows. So click on the Windows. So here you need to enter your details. So enter your first and last name and then the company name and email, phone number, country, your street, your city, your state, and your zip code. Once you've entered all of the information, you just need to scroll down and click on register and download and click on download again and it will start downloading. So you can simply go for the upper right, which has that arrow, and here you can see that it has started the download process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. So just have patience and wait for some time. And once it's downloaded, you can simply double click on it. And once you double click on it, it will start installing and it will start downloading on your laptop. And once it supports, then it will be downloaded and you'll be able to sign in or create your account and use your DaVinci Resolve. So that's how you can download and install on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.